RedMagic is releasing its latest gaming phone, the RedMagic 11S Pro, to international markets following its initial launch in China. The company is marketing the device for sustained performance during extended gaming sessions rather than short benchmark peaks. To achieve this, the phone pairs Qualcomm's latest processor with a revised cooling system and a high-capacity battery. Inside, the 11S Pro runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 leading version, which reaches clock speeds up to 4.74 GHz. It also includes RedMagic's RedCore R4 chip, a dedicated processor that handles audio, haptic feedback, and visual effects to reduce the load on the main system. To manage heat, RedMagic is using its updated AquaCore cooling system. This setup includes a 24,000 revolutions per minute internal fan, a 13,116 mm superscript 2 vapor chamber, and a flowing fluorinated liquid cooling system. The liquid cooling circulation is visible through a transparent section on the back of the phone. The rear panel is entirely flat, lacking a camera bump, and the device carries an IPX8 rating for water resistance. The front features a 6.85-inch 1.5K OLED screen with a 144 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1,800 nits. RedMagic continues to use an under-display camera, utilizing a BOE X10 panel to hide the 16MP sensor and keep the screen free of notches or hole punches. The display supports a 3000 Hz instant touch sampling rate, and the phone includes 520 Hz touch-responsive shoulder triggers on the side frame for gaming inputs. The phone is powered by a 7,500 mAh battery. It supports 80W fast charging for both wired and wireless connections. It also features dual reverse charging, meaning it can charge other devices via cable or wirelessly. For photography, the rear camera system includes a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization and a 50MP ultra-wide lens. The phone runs RedMagic OS 11.5, based on Android 16, and integrates several Google Gemini AI tools, such as Circle to Search and real-time translation. The RedMagic 11S Pro comes in two colors, Night Freeze and Sub-Zero. The base model with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage is priced at $849/799 and is only available in Night Freeze. The version with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage costs $949/799 Pre-orders begin on June 9, 2026, with general sales starting on June 10.